Shia Muslims trekked hundreds of kilometers from many parts of Nigeria to the headquarters of the Islamic Movement of Nigeria in the northern city of Zaria to commemorate the Arba'in. Those who could not walk were carried. The physically challenged used their wheelchairs. The Arba'in commemorates 40th day since the martyrdom of Imam Hussein and 72 of his loyal companions in Karbala around 14 centuries ago. Hundreds of thousands of members have continued to come for the Arba'in from many parts of Nigeria and even West African countries. The occasion reminds the faithful of the core message behind the martyrdom of Imam Hussein, which is establishing justice and fighting injustice. Sheikh Ibrahim Zakzaki explains the sinister motive of Yazid and the Umayyad dynasty.
They wanted to bury the real teaching of the Prophet. They have already got, the Prophet has established an empire for them, and they are interested only in the empire but not in the religion. So they wanted to remove those icons of the religion forever, so that the religion will be gone and they will now rule in the name of the religion but without the real religion.
Multitudes of Shia Muslims have come to Zaria for this pilgrimage, just like the Arba'in marked in Karbala in Iraq, which is one of the largest pilgrimage gatherings in the world. The recreation of an inspiring speech delivered by Imam Hussein before his murder by the Yazid army brought fresh grief to many members. Anjum Abdullahi, Press TV, Zaria.